Guys, naranasan mo na ba mapaisip na dapat pala may dashcam ako?
Dahil may biglang sumingit, may biglang nagpreno, o sa di mo inaasahang aksidente.
Tapos mapapatanong na lang sila kung sino ba talaga ang totoong may kasalanan. Dahil kung walang dashcam, wala kang matibay na ebidensya. So hi everyone, this is Laika and welcome back again to LA Car Accessories. So for today's video, I'll be introducing you our Rosoto A215 Plus dashcam. A premium dual channel 4K car recorder designed for total peace of mind.
It features a powerful dual lens setup with a 4K Ultra HD front camera and a Full HD 1080p rear camera, giving you crystal clear footage from both angles. With its 170-degree wide-angle lens, you capture more of the road. No blind spots, no missed details. And it has a night vision technology and you still get sharp and balanced video even in low light conditions, a perfect for night driving. And the sleek design comes with a 2.89-inch built-in LCD screen and a durable metal housing, ensuring long-lasting performance and a premium feel. It also has built-in GPS for real-time tracking,
Making it ideal for ride sharing, trip monitoring, or accident verification. Just connect to the mobile app where you can view live footage, download videos, and manage your storage easily. And for added safety, the G sensor automatically locks important recordings during sudden impacts or collisions. Plus, it supports micro SD cards up to 128 GB, giving you plenty of space for your recordings.